Welcome back, guys. We're going back to our 3D shapes and learning about volume and surface area. But before we get into all that, let's just take a day to review the 3D shapes we learned about, 2 weeks ago? So, just a quick review. Remember, we have a bunch of different 3D shapes as shown on the screen here. Just to remind yourself that when we're looking at a prism, if we call it a rectangular prism, like this first one, that means that the base is a rectangle. Remember, how we name it determines our base. We are not going to worry about spheres. A cube has a base that's a square. And then I'm going to pop down here to the triangular prism. And remember, the base of a triangular prism is the triangle. Even if it's not sitting on the base, this triangle is considered the base of that prism. We also learned about cylinders. The cylinder has a base that is a circle. So the base of this cylinder is a circle. The other two things that we had talked about was a cone, not as big of a deal, but we just need to recognize it. We also talked about a pyramid, and pyramids can have many different bases. We can have a square pyramid, a rectangular pyramid. Remember, the base determines how you name it. So just reviewing those shapes real quickly, the only thing I want you to do for homework tonight or today is to find a few different 3D objects in your home. I want you to try to find a prism and a cylinder. I don't care what kind of prism you find, whether it's a rectangular prism or a triangular prism. It will probably be easier to find a rectangular prism, and then find a cylinder. If you can find the other items, great, but you don't have to. Maybe you can find a pyramid. Maybe you can find a cone. But the two that I want you to find are these two, the prism and the cylinder. And then you will see on Canvas that I have an assignment listed for you to upload a video of you showing the different three-dimensional figures that you have found. See you tomorrow.